Okay, hello, Gabrielle.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Good, thanks.
Now, Gabrielle, I hear that you're going back home to New Zealand.
That's right. I'm going home for summer.
Okay, what are your plans?
Probably a week relaxing, going camping, and then I'm going back to work.
Oh, okay. Where do you work in New Zealand?
I teach as an English teacher in Christchurch in New Zealand.
Oh, okay. And that's where you're from, naturally.
That's
Christchurch.
right.
Were you born there?
I was, yeah.
Okay, well, you're going to have this short little break or vacation. You're going to go to the beach, go to the mountains.
Probably to the beach and camping for about a week with friends.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Actually, how warm is it in the summer in New Zealand?
Probably maximum of 30 degrees, so it's a nice dry heat.
Okay.
Yeah, very comfortable.
So when you go to the beach, is the water warm enough to swim in?
No. Well, we swim, but it's not warm. Yeah, it's pretty chilly actually, but
Okay.
yeah.
Any other plans when you go home?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to catching up with friends and family and animals.
Animals?
I miss my pets.
Okay, well, what pets do you have?
Well, I have a cat and a dog and a sheep called Sydney and 2 goldfish. Actually.
Wow.
Yeah, and I really miss them.
Oh, well, I'm sure they're really excited to see you.
Yeah.
All right, thanks a lot.
Cheers.